This is the reason why we want to sell options in order to receive high probability trades. So this was the SPY on July 25th, 2022. The price at the time was around 395, and we decided to sell an iron condor where we're going to be selling an option at the bottom of this bar at the 402 strike price. And you're also going to be buying an option at the 407 strike price. Those are call options. For these on the put side, we sold the 390 put side, and then we bought the 385 put. And as you can see throughout the day, SPY does move slightly, but it went nowhere close to either of those red bars. We're able to sell the option for $18 and able to buy it back at $5. When you include commissions, 18 minus 5, and commissions, you are looking at about a 1.3% return just for the day. And then that's the type of trades that we typically look for, and you do those over and over again.